Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm gonna talk with you about the best tool to connect to the Web3, and this tool is called Metamask. It's basically a wallet that allows you to connect to the Web3 space. So without wasting time, let's start our video. The first thing that we need to do is to install the Metamask extension, and for that here I'm gonna search Metamask. Alright, be sure to go on the official website of metamask.io, and here I'm gonna download the extension. Get here, add extension to my browser. Alright, so now that my extension is installed, I am redirected here on this page, and I'm gonna click on agree to Metamask. And now I'm gonna create a new wallet. To me that the Metamask will never sell my IP address and will never sell my data. Now I'm gonna click on I agree. Alright, after I put my password, I'm gonna click on understand. Now, if you are not familiar with Web3 space, here it says that I need to create a recovery seed phrase with 12 words. So it's essential to store those 12 words in a very safe place, because the people who can get your seed phrase can access all of your fonts. So here it says that you need to write it down, never store on your computer. Now I'm gonna click on secure my wallet. Alright, here is my recovery seed phrase. I'm gonna delete this account after this video. Alright, gonna go to the next. So here I have my seed phrase. I need to put a noun here, and then I need to put add here, and after the body I need to put ghost. Alright, got it. So we successfully create our Metamask account. Now let's dive into it and see what Metamask can offer us. Alright, now you can see a small tutorial. Got it. Alright. And now I will explain you everything that you have in your Metamask. So here you can see that is your account address. You can copy it. Here is the amount of Ether that you have in your wallet. Now here in this button you can buy and sell directly from Metamask using your fiat currency. So if I'm gonna click on get started, select my region. I'm not in Afghanistan, but for the sake of this video. Alright, and now here I can select the card and buy directly from the Metamask. You can see I can connect here. Alright. The only thing that I need to do right now is to add my credit card. And when I'm gonna buy, I'm gonna see directly into my Metamask. The next one is the send button. Here you can put the address that you want to send. I'm gonna come back when I'm gonna create another account to send to that account. Alright, the next thing is the swap. The swap was added recently, so you don't need to use a DApp like Uniswap. You can just do this inside the Metamask interface. You can select directly here the token. Let's select Matic. Alright, and now you can see you can get real-time data about those prices and the conversion. So I can swap 2 Ether for 5k Matic. This is very handy because you don't need to go on different dApps to waste your time, to risk your funds to be lost. you can swap directly here. The next thing that I think is very amazing to have in our MetaMask is the bridge functionality. Alright, so if you don't know what a bridge is, basically a bridge allows you to move your assets from a blockchain to another chain. So here you can see that I have from this network, that is Ethereum, the main network, and I can move to another network. And here you can see you don't have all the chains in the world, but you have the most used ones. So if I want to transfer from Ethereum to the base, basically I'm gonna select here the tokens to send. I don't have any of these tokens in my new created wallet. The next thing that you can see here inside your wallet is the portfolio section. So here inside your portfolio you can see all of your tokens that you own, your NFTs, the DeFi assets, and the transaction. So because this is a brand new wallet, you can see that I have no activity, but if you do transactions with NFT tokens on DeFi apps, this can be very helpful to see everything that you do on chain. Are those three sections: the tokens, the NFTs, and your activity. Alright, let's start with the tokens. Here you can see your assets that you have. Here you have the Ethereum that you own. The next thing is the import tokens. So here you have the possibility to search for a specific token. Let's say USDT. Here you have the official token and you can directly import into your wallet. And now you can see that I've added the USDT token here. But here, if I'm gonna search for a specific token that is not inside the Metamask database, you can see here that you don't have all the tokens possible, but Metamask allows you to add a custom token. So basically here you just need to put the contract address and you're gonna get the token. For the demonstration, I'm gonna get on CoinMarketCap. Alright. And I'm gonna search for a brand new token. Let's go to the gaming. Let's make sure that it's an ERC20 token because MetaMask is only for the ERC20 tokens. So here you can see on the contracts it's a Ethereum token. Let's copy this address. Let's see immutable. So if I'm gonna go here into my MetaMask, into import tokens, custom token, and add the token, now you can see that I've got the immutable token. Alright, and now I can buy and sell this token, send this token, and swap this token. It's very easy, you can do directly from your MetaMask. The next button is refresh list. Basically it refresh your list. The next are the NFTs. So the MetaMask need to detect that you have NFTs in your wallet, and if it detects, you directly can see your NFT here. Alright, going to the top part of this interface, you can see here that you can select the network. So here we have the Ethereum mainnet network, Linea mainnet. Here you have the possibility to activate the test networks. Let's open it. And those are the test networks, but this is just for the developers. Going on add network. Here you can see that you have more option to add more networks into your MetaMask. Let's say that I want to add Arbitrum network into my MetaMask. Approve. Alright. and I can switch directly to the Arbitrum network. Got it. Alright, but for you I have a very big trick. So you can go here and search for chain list. Alright, and here in the chain list interface you're gonna have all the chains possible. So the only thing that you need to do is to click on one network, connect wallet, and click on the next. Alright, so now you can see that I'm connected to this custom blockchain. But be careful, you need to go into this URL, because on the internet there are a lot of copies of those websites, and those websites can steal your MetaMask funds by signing the transaction. So now that we learn how to add a custom chain, let's go here on the account. Here you can see the current account that you own, but the best part of the Web3 space is that you can create a new account every time that you want. So here I'm gonna click on add a new account, and basically I'm gonna create a new account. Let's say account 2. Create, and now I have a brand new account that I can use every time I want. So let's go back to the first account, to the account 2, connect. Alright, and now if I'm gonna click on send, here I see the second account showing up. So I can select directly the second account, and here I can transfer those tokens. Now if I'm going back here, I can see that I have an option to import an account. So here you can import an account directly with the private key. So if you have a private key, you can paste the private key here and import this account. So the last option is to add a hardware wallet. Here you can see, if I'm gonna click on hardware wallet, I can use one of those wallets. So basically it's a ledger you can add into your PC, and you can see inside your MetaMask that you are connected. Coming back here on those three dots, you can see your account details and view account on Explorer. Let's click on account details. Here I can change the name of the account. Let's say me. Here is the address of this wallet, and now here you can see show private key. So be careful when you click this button, because no one needs to see your private key, so you can lose all your funds. Here you can see this disclaimer. So I'm gonna write here my password, click on confirm, and hold to reveal the private key. Now you can see here my private key. And the last option here is to view your account directly on Etherscan. Alright, now that we finish with this part, we're gonna go here, account connected, and we can see the account that is connected to this D app. So here you can see the permission. You have authorized the following permissions: see address, account balances, activities. I can directly disconnect this account from this D app. Let's watch here. If I'm gonna click on disconnect account, bam, you see that my address have changed. If I'm going here back again and disconnect and switch to this account, and then I'm gonna disconnect with this account as well, now you can see that this app is not connected to any of my wallets. The last part of the MetaMask extension are those three dots. Here is the account details and the view on Explorers menus that we saw in the last part. Connected sites. you can see that I have no connected site, but if I'm gonna connect to this site again, you can see here I can select the wallets that I want to connect. If you don't want to connect to any of those wallets, let's click on new account, and we can create a new account and connect directly with this account. Alright, and going back to the connected sites, here you can see the site that you are connected on. So if I'm gonna click on disconnect, I'm gonna directly disconnect to this website. Next is expand view. I can make the MetaMask much bigger. The next is support, lock Metamask. You can lock your app so people can't access it. Let's log in again. Going to settings, here in the general are basically the settings for the theme, dark, light. You can hide your tokens without balance, so if you are broke, you can see that you are broke. Coming into the advanced settings, the most interesting one that I think it is the auto lock time. So if you are in a rush and on another computer that is not yours, you can connect and you can program a time, and after 2 minutes the account will be locked again. On the contacts options, basically we have here the option to add a contact. You can put the name and the address, and you can store this as a contact. And if you want to send something to this user, you just need to click on your friend. Now here on the snaps are the new things added to the MetaMask. Basically are custom applications that the community can create for the MetaMask. Let's click on discover snaps and let's watch this video. So basically it extends the functionality of Metamask. Yeah, so basically this trailer is not too informative, but you get the idea. On security and privacy, here you can see that you have the option to reveal your seed phrase if you forget this phrase, but I recommend you to not forget it, to write on a paper and hide in a secret place. Here is the enable OpenSea API. It auto detects the NFTs from the OpenSea. Auto detect NFT. You can add NFT with your own third-party services. Metrics. And on the experimental section, basically here you have the option to block the ID. Basically you allow the MetaMask not to share your data with other third parties. And OpenSea block ID basically is doing the same. And with that, I covered to you everything that you need to know about MetaMask. Now you can interact with the blockchain more easily. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. And I'm gonna wait you with the second video in which I'm gonna show you more tools to interact with the blockchain. And with that, I'm out. Bye.